that you're doing fine, cause you got me. I don't wanna break.
I just want to appreciate all of you for your love and support. Like, we are at 7K. I don't know how this happened. I don't know what I did, but I appreciate you. I'm so grateful for all that you guys have done for me. Like, words cannot express. Last year this time, I don't know how many subscribers I had, but here I am today with 7,000 subscribers. Whenever I think about how good you guys are to me, it brings so much joy to me. Like, I don't know what to say. I don't want to get emotional right now, but I just want you all to know that I appreciate all of you for your love and support. Another thing, I really want to do a giveaway, but I just don't know how. So if you know how to do a giveaway, kind of leave that in the description bar, and I'll be more than happy to go ahead and do my giveaway. But at the same token, I'm still going to do my own research and try to do a nice giveaway for y'all. Like, you guys deserve it, okay? So let's jump right into the video. We will be making these beautiful emulsified body butter. Guys, I swear by this body butter. It is so hydrating. So hydrating. So first of all, this is not a normal and a regular body butter that you just whip up oils and butter, melt them down and whip them up. It's not the same. This is a water base. That's what I love about it, because it hydrates. We all know that, like, water hydrates. So this is up a notch. So now if you are interested and want to learn how I created these bombshell, then please keep watching. When you making a emulsified body butter, normally it's divided into different phases, and that's what I'm going to be doing. We have the water phase, the oil phase, and a cool down phase. And then I'm going to be leaving all of the measurements in my description bar, or the recipe in my description bar. I'm not going to be telling you what the measurements are on camera because it's going to take a lot of time. Let's get started. I'm going to be setting my glass beaker on here, and I'm going to start measuring out my material. I'm going to tear it out. I'm going to start off with some mango butter. I'm gonna be measuring out my shea butter. Up next will be some jojoba oil. I'm gonna be adding some sweet almond oil. I'm gonna be measuring out our emulsifying wax. I'm using emulsifying wax NF, and I'm gonna be measuring it here with this itty bitty, I don't know how to call that. I'm gonna be using that. Okay. It's taking too long, right? That's how it is, people. Formulating is very hard. You have to take your own sweet time and make sure you get it right. This is my stearic acid. I'm gonna be measuring it out. And that's it for the oil face, okay? So this is how it's looking. I already have my double boiler ready, and I'm gonna put this there until it melts down, okay? It's time for our water face. So I'm going to start off with my glycerin, vegetable glycerin. Okay, I'm gonna be adding some aloe vera juice. And I'm gonna measure my distilled water. So this is my water face. I'm just gonna be putting it in my water bath. My oil face have already been melted, and my water face as well. But now guys, let me show you the most exciting part that amazed me. Like, I can get over how beautiful this is, right? Let me show you. Now you see how the water is? It's well mixed and blended. See what happens when I pour the water face into the oil face, okay? See here? It turns. That's what I love. Like when I see this, I be like, how did this happen, guys? So we have added our water face into the oil face. I'm just mixing a little and all of that, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my immersion blender. Let me connect it, okay? And keep the ball rolling. So go like so. Guys, it's getting thick a little. I'm not even gonna continue blending. I believe I'm gonna be adding coloring. I have to split this into two separate parts. You see how watery it is? Really, really watery. Let me show you. See how watery it is? Like few minutes from now or hour from now, it'll take a little, and then I'm go ahead and do the cool down face. I believe it already mixed properly. I don't want to over mix it, so I'm just going to be leaving it alone. All right, I think it's okay to add the preservative and the fragrance oil. Okay, I'm just gonna be measuring it out like so. And the reason why I'm measuring it in this is because I have way more control when I measure it like this than when I measure it directly in the product. Okay? I went a little over, so I can always scoop it out. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna be adding my preservative, okay? So my temperature was just around 110 when I add my preservative and my fragrance oil, okay? So bear that in mind. Okay, it's time For our fragrance oil, I'm gonna be using the same method. Let's add our fragrance. So because I just added my fragrance and my preservative just now, I'm going to use my measuring blender and blend it again once more. It smells so good, guys. Just have to say that. I cannot handle it. Okay, that's it for the blending. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave this until it gets thick, and then I will be back for the rest of the video. Okay, guys? So we are back, guys, with our body butter, our emulsified body butter. Guys, as you can see, it's gotten pretty thick and all of that. Ooh. Guys, look here. It have gotten so thick. Smells good. I'm just gonna be splitting it into 2 separate parts, and I'm going to color one part and leave the other one uncolored. So let's do that. I'm gonna be using this green that I got from Brambleberry. So guys, remember this is a body butter. I'm gonna treat it as such, okay? I'm gonna be using my piping tip. You guys know how I struggled to learn how to pipe. I'm never gonna forget. So I'm gonna be using my pretty piping tip, and I'm gonna be putting it in like so. All right, let's do this. Okay. Can you see this? Go like that. Woo. I just really want you to see how this body butter applies. Excuse my nails, it's a mess. Just so you see how it applies, like it applies, like I put a lot. But anyway, I'm gonna cream both of my hands. Okay, so technically this is a thick cream, if you will. Put it that way, like it melts down like a dream, guys. Like look here. It don't have a shine to it like that. Like you can see that your hand has been moisturized and all, like, see? It's not shiny. But anyways, guys, I like how the light is coming from this end, this way. I like it, like it's giving me the extra oof. But this is how it applies, guys. I hope you try this at home. You will definitely love this. Now, guys, this is how you do an emulsifying body butter, guys. This is so quick and easy to make. Like, you can do this within a heartbeat. No show, no playing, guys. I love how, like, summertime you can ship out your body butter. You wouldn't have any problems because it's not gonna melt. Like, you even forget about it in the car, it stays like this. Like, how cute. Like, I'm just excited that I started making them because I love it. Guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all of you for the love and support, for helping me reach 7K. You guys are amazing. You guys are blessing, and I hope God bless you all on my behalf and all of that. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye-bye.